Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix can't delete message on Messenger issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Messenger app and go to a chat where you would like to simply delete a message. Let's say this is the one, and I have this particular message that I would like to delete, right? If I long press on it, I shall be able to find this delete option. Tap on delete and delete as well. Tap on delete for everyone and delete for you. That's the option that you have. Let's say you don't see it, so what you can do for that is, mind you can only delete the message that you have sent. You cannot delete the person or the persons. So if you cannot do that, then you have to go to your app store and get a updated version of your app, because that could be the reason why you're not being able to see. So go ahead, search up Messenger and check it out if your app needs an update or not. So if your app needs an update, it will be written update here instead of open. Go ahead, tap on it. It will reinstall the app with the newest features and everything else, and then when you go back, you shall be able to find that particular delete option that you have been searching for. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.